Hi everyone, my name is Rishika Pallit. Today I'll be explaining you all the chapter Reproduction in Animals. So let's begin. Why is reproduction important? Reproduction is important as it ensures the continuation of a species. If reproduction is not there, then the species become extinct. First, let us start with human reproductive organs, that is, male and female. The male reproductive organs are sperm duct, penis, and testes. The testes produce thousands of male gametes. This is a diagram of a sperm. It includes the head, middle piece, and the tail. The next diagram is that of a female reproductive organs. The female reproductive organs are oviduct, ovary, and uterus. The ovary is a part where it produces thousands of female gametes or ova. The oviduct. The ovary releases one matured egg every month into the oviduct. The next part is the uterus, where the development of the baby takes place. This is a diagram of an ovum. Now let us see the main procedure, that is fertilization. The fusion of one egg and a sperm is called fertilization. What is the first step of fertilization? The first step of fertilization is the fusion of the sperm and the egg. The second step is that when a sperm comes in contact with the egg, one sperm may fuse with the egg. The next step is the fusion of the nuclei. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg merge together to form one nucleus. The fourth step is the formation of the zygote or the fertilized egg. Now let us understand how frogs reproduce. Frogs reproduce by the method of laying eggs. The female lays thousands of eggs in the ponds. Why do these frogs lay eggs in large numbers? It is because wind, air, and many other natural occurrences wipe away many of the eggs. Also, other animals may feed on these eggs, and thus fertilization of at least few of them is important in these thousands of eggs. When the female lays these eggs, these are not covered with any hard shell like those of the hens. They are covered with a jelly-like structure. The male lays sperms over them. Now, these sperm and the egg fuse together to form fertilization, and thus it results in the formation of the zygote. Now let us see. Now let us see the development of an embryo. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote, as we read earlier. The zygote repeatedly divides to give rise to a ball of cells. This is the diagram of a ball of cells. The cell again begins to divide and develop into different organs of the body. This development is known as an embryo. The part of the embryo where all the body parts are identified is called a fetus. This is a diagram of the fetus in the uterus. Now let us see the life cycle of a frog. The life cycle of the frog starts with eggs, the eggs laid by the female. And then it slowly, after a few weeks, converts into an early tadpole, and then a late tadpole, and then into a completely adult frog. Don't the tadpoles look completely different from the adult frog? Thus, the transformation of larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Now, let us see what is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a reproduction in which only one parent is involved. Two examples of asexual reproduction are amoebae And then the next one is hydra. The type of reproduction is in amoebae is called binary fission. Binary fission is occurred by the dividing of the amoeba's body. First, the nucleus divides. Next, the two nucleus separate and thus two daughter amoebae are formed. This type of reproduction in which the amoeba continuously divides itself is called binary fission in amoeba. Next one is budding in hydra. There are one or more bulges in the hydra. Hydra is a type of microorganism. It reproduces by budding. Buds are seen on the bodies of the hydras. These buds then naturally grow into adult hydras. The next diagram is that of an adult hydra from a parent hydra. This type of this type of reproduction in hydra is called budding, as the new adults are formed from buds. Here we come to the end of this chapter, and I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye.